today our main ingredient would be our flour, but we're going to use almost as much cornmeal as the flour. A little bit of butter for soft texture, and you know we can't leave out our mixed spice and vanilla. A little bit of sugar for sweetness. So now you just want to go ahead and sieve that flour. We want to get it as smooth as possible. And now we're going to go ahead and add all our dry ingredients together. And we want to add that butter, incorporate it into all the dry ingredients. Add 3 pinches of salt. Almost forgot my baking powder, but now we're going to go ahead and work that butter in. We want it to look almost like a crumble. Adding our mixed spice, and do me a favor and add the vanilla to your water that you're going to use to mix the dough. In that case, it blends in perfectly. You can also use milk as the liquid in your dough. Make a little well in the middle of your flour, then we're going to add our vanilla water. Do not play with this dough. Just use your hand and take from the outer layer, bring it in the middle until everything starts coming together. So you realize you can still see those sugar pebbles, so we're going to put that one side, let it set. You can use a plastic wrap to cover like mine. Let's marinate and fry our fishies. Just to let you know that you can use whatever marination you want on your fish, because maybe what I have you don't have. But if you still insist on knowing, I use thyme, garlic, hot pepper, Cajun seasoning, pimento, and salt and pepper. For nice uniform shapes, pull those festivals apart before you roll them. For extra crunch, roll that dough into some cornmeal and flour. Keep your flame at a minimum. Festivals takes time. Do not rush those bad boys. Keeping my Escovitch fish a bit simple today, I'm just using some round cut onions with some hot pepper and thyme, sauteed in butter, and the remaining marination from the fish. And this sauce is made with vinegar and sugar. If for whatever reason you forgot to put your baking powder into your dough, just sprinkle whatever amount you were going to add into it over it, knead it in, and wrap it in a plastic wrap and put it to set for about 30 minutes or overnight, and you're good to go.